March 14th, Tuesday, 10:15 Mountain Time, 2017. I'd like to thank Tammy Kerr-Penwright for sending me this video link. I was completely unaware of this situation until today. A big old rogue wave pounded South Africa. Look at this. Sunday the 12th, in case you haven't seen it. This is one. I'm going to show you another. Look at that. Big old boy. Sometimes when you see that, there's ocean earthquake activity. Remember the one in Indonesia in 2004? This was supposedly caused by, find it here. This was supposedly caused by the cyclone that went through Madagascar 5 days prior. That made landfall on the 7th, weakened to just barely even a tropical storm, which I suppose it could stir up enough tide and energy in the ocean to affect Durban. This is where you're seeing the video, right down in here. The storm made landfall up here several hundred, maybe even 1,000 miles away. I'm not sure exactly how far that is, but it's taking a wild guess. Then it dematerialized over land. And then it made these rogue waves over here in Durban. Here's another video at the SA People News. That's the South African newspaper. Check this one out. They're assuming that cyclone caused this giant wave. Big. There's another one here if you guys would like to watch it. I'll post a link to these pictures, videos, and feel free to come check them out. But I was completely unaware of that until just a few minutes ago. And thanks again, Tammy, for sending that my way. Giant wave impacts South Africa during these uncertain times. So I encourage you to be brave, be strong, be wise, and be ready. Thanks for watching.